everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Harbor Freight credit card account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in Harbor Freight credit card login and press enter. You'll be taken to a next page where you'll be able to see this check-in Synchrony link at the top of the screen. Click it on and you'll end up in the login area for your Harbor Freight credit card. Type in your user ID in the first text box that appears on the display. Head over to the password field and type in your password correct as well. You can double check your password by clicking on this show link or the eye icon at the right corner. If you want the system to remember your user ID so that next time you won't have to type it in, you can check this Remember User ID box right beneath the password box. But make sure to leave this box unchecked if you are using a public device or a shared mobile device. In case you've forgotten your user ID, you can retrieve it back by clicking on the user ID link right beneath the secure login button. Similarly, if you happen to forgot your password, click on the password link right next to the user ID link and follow the instructions so that you can reset to a new password, which will be easier for you to remember. After entering all of the credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click on the secure login button and you'll be logged into your Harbor Freight credit card account. Quick and easy. You can review your statements, check your status, make a payment, or set up accounts alerts with the credit card account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.